Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, limitless wellness pros and small business owners. So we are Tuesday afternoon. Hope everyone is doing really well. And I'm sure everyone is buzzing, being busy, but also being productive, because that's the most important thing. Being laser focused on what you do and productive. Which brings me to the subject of today, which is time for progress review for those of you who have attended a CCJM workshop nearly a month ago now. I know, right? Quite unbelievable. It's nearly been a month. And if I remember correctly, it was, let's have a quick look. It was on the Wednesday, 22nd of January, where we had a group business brainstorming session at the Maker Station in Brentford. So if you were part of the ones lucky enough to be able to attend, sometimes it's not easy to be able to attend lunchtime. I will be doing this online. I will be running this workshop online, so you haven't missed it. But I just wanted to quickly check in with everyone and make sure everyone is up to date with a progress review. So let me run through what briefly we covered at the workshop. So it was a group business brainstorming workshop, and it was a way to get fresh new business ideas, to get new perspective on a business challenge that you might have, and get a draft of an action plan, what I call a business development plan worksheet, to work from straight away after the workshop. And what it looked like, it was a sheet like this one. I'm in the middle of actually changing this slightly because I got some really great feedback from the workshop attendees. So thank you very much for that. Just creating something a little bit easier to use, but the process is the same. So let me just run through what this worksheet is all about, which we used at the workshop, group brainstorming workshop. So you see here we have two main sections. So a top section and a bottom section. And in the bottom section, you have numbers 1 to 30. And this is what we've used to do the actual brainstorming. So we took some time to think individually and brainstorm of all the ideas and challenges that come across in your business or in your business idea. And we timed it. It was very important to time it. Following this, we shared what everyone had written down anonymously. We didn't put any names down because it helped one and another to get also ideas for themselves, but also see that maybe they're not alone experiencing the same challenges in their business. So you are never alone. Once we have listed all the challenges or ideas we needed to work on, I've asked you to select 3 top ideas of challenges. So that's the top bit here. So the top ideas or the top challenges you want to work on. So you would have put them at the top here, and next to it, as the SMART goals, you need to have a deadline to it. So is that challenge or that idea something you want to work on in the next 3 months, in the next 6 months, or in the year coming? And in the following column, you have actions. So 5 actions that you will need to take in order to come closer to achieving or solving that challenge. in the following column, skills and tools that you need. So sometimes you need to have additional skills or you need specific tools in order to do the actions that you require to get closer to your goals. So this is very briefly what we covered at the workshop. Obviously, when we do the workshop, we allow plenty of time and I explain in details every single step and I help you along those steps. And not only this, you allocate time, specific time to think, because in our busy schedules, sometimes we neglect the part of creating a strategy and an action plan in order to move our business forward or to actually come up with a strategy. So 1 month later, it is progress review time. You can do this on a weekly basis if you are more in a hurry to get to where you want to be, or you can do it on a monthly basis. And like I mentioned at the beginning of this quick reminder, we are now 1 month later nearly, because the group brainstorming session was on the 22nd of January. So nearly 1 month later, have you even checked or added some ideas to your workshop worksheets, business development plan? Have you made any notes, any progress? I would love to know if you have made any progress on the initial ideas or challenges, because it is time for progress review. And don't worry, if you haven't continued working on it, maybe now is the time to allocate 20 minutes today, now, to do that. Or if you have missed or lost the momentum, which is it does happen sometimes with everyone being busy, family life, business life, you can join us again for either the next live where we will do the workshop. We will plan a workshop, so you can join us again. Or if you are West London based, you're very welcome to join us at our next workshop. And this workshop will be focusing more on helping you to be more productive and be business ready. So we will be focusing more specifically on being more productive with your business or in your life in general. You can apply the same systems in both. And be business ready. What does it mean and how to be business ready? And that workshop is going to start with in West London on the 11th of March, lunchtime, 12:30 to 1:30 in the Maker Station in Brentford. The details are on our page. And it's free for the Maker Station members to attend. It's only £5 to attend for non-members if you get the early ticket, or it's £15 after that. And if you want more of CCJM, you can always log on to our podcast. We have True Entrepreneurs Stories podcast, where we interviewed our first guest of 2020, Maria, a financial planner. And she shares some amazing tips on financial planning for your small business. And you can replay that. You can replay that on our podcast or on our YouTube channel. We will share this as well in the group. So for today, what I would like everyone to do is take the time for a very quick progress review. So if you have attended our workshop to get all those fantastic, fresh, new business ideas, you need to still work on those. If you think you need to take a break and start again, that's fine as well. You can start again fresh. Remember, it's about learning. It's about trying. If you haven't succeeded this time, it's always a possibility to try again. and to do better the next time. And remember, you can join us at our next workshop on the 11th of March, or catch up for the next one online. We will keep everyone posted. Until then, we hope you're having an amazing Tuesday, and we hope you have a fantastic week. Bye, everyone.